Today is about looking at photos and exploring a dance through them. So this one was actually leading up to a show, and I was obviously not aware that I was being photographed, but it definitely shows the work that goes in behind the scenes. But this is the outcome. I decided not to show you any of the dances because most of you guys have been part of my dances. This one was taken again with a behind the scenes shot of me getting ready for the show and reviewing notes and very deep in thought. This one obviously shows the Miss Christy sassy side where I was kind of like, we've got this. It's almost showtime. Woohoo! And this one was a stellar picture of me going, what? And I was probably taken off guard with this picture because, that tends to happen. So that leaves us with that charming expression. Be sure to look through some of your old photos, see what you got, and see what they inspire you to do.